Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to enable dark mode in Facebook. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So before further go, make sure that your Facebook application is up to date. Just go to the Play Store and Apple App Store and update your Facebook application, and then you will open up your Facebook application on your Android and iOS, and then tap on your profile picture at the top right here, and then tap on the gears option. Okay, so this will open up the settings for your Facebook account here. So let's wait for it to open it up, and then basically you can see that we are now in settings and privacy. And when you go back here you can see in this preferences option, in the last we have dark mode. So tap on this one, and right now it is turned off, so just check the box on, and now our dark mode is activated. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.